Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I've been letting you know about Microsoft Edge's new vertical tabs that Microsoft is currently testing in Edge Canary, which is an early preview version. And as I mentioned in the previous video I posted on this new feature, which will be linked down below and in the end screen, Microsoft has now added two new options in the experimental flag that enables the revamped version of the vertical tabs. And those two new options are called Transient mode and Switcher mode. Now go check that video out if you'd like some more info, but a quick recap regarding Transient mode, because Microsoft has made a change to the Transient mode, which I thought was quite interesting. Now here's the previous video I posted. So just a quick recap as to what Transient mode is all about. So basically what happens is that in Transient mode, the pane opens expanded but is not docked, as you can see, and it doesn't auto hide when you move the pointer away from it. So that's what Transient mode is all about in that previous video that I did post. Now if we head back into our experimental flags page in Edge Canary, and now I head to the same flag, Project Jupiter enables revamped appearance for vertical tabs. If I enable Transient mode now, you're going to see a slight change. So I'm going to have to restart the browser to apply that flag as always. And using Transient mode now for vertical tabs, yeah, we can see the change. So when I click on that, we can see now, instead of opening as a full pane, it now opens as a menu. And obviously the size of this menu is going to depend on the number of tabs that you have open. So I'll show you that one more time. There we go. And you are able to expand this and obviously make that smaller. So depending on what your use case scenario is, I think this may be a better option. But as mentioned, go check that other video out. So that's a small change now that Microsoft has made to Transient mode. So obviously they experimenting a little bit with this feature, and everything else still works the same. You've got your workspaces button there, and if we pop it back to the switcher mode, it's exactly the same. So they are fiddling with a couple of options, but as these changes roll out, obviously I'll try and keep you guys posted, because it does seem they are giving the new vertical tabs quite a lot of attention. So there is a very good chance, I think, personally, that this will eventually make its way to the stable version. And I personally think that the new vertical tabs just brings a little bit more extra functionality, and in my personal opinion is a lot easier and simpler to use. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.